Imagine trying to land a high-speed aircraft onto a small, moving runway, often in rough seas or combat conditions, all without the advanced computerized aids we have today. Sounds incredibly difficult, right? World War II carrier flight deck operations handled landings primarily through a meticulously coordinated system involving arrestor wires and the expert guidance of a landing signals officer. Or LSO, this ingenious system allowed for the precise, albeit dangerous, recovery of aircraft onto a constantly moving ship. The core challenge was immense. Naval aircraft had to decelerate from over 100 miles per hour to a complete stop within mere seconds and within a very short distance on a pitching, rolling deck. This was achieved using multiple steel arrestor cables stretched across the flight deck. As the aircraft touched down, a strong hook extending from its tail would snag one of these wires, bringing the plane to a swift and controlled halt. Crucially, the landing signals officer was the pilot's eyes and ears on the deck. Positioned at the edge of the flight deck, the LSO used a set of colored paddles to give constant visual commands to the approaching pilot. These signals guided everything from the aircraft's altitude and airspeed to its alignment with the deck. The LSO's judgment was absolute, and their communication was vital for a safe landing, especially during stressful combat recoveries or adverse weather conditions. The process demanded incredible precision from both pilot and LSO. Pilots had to maintain a very specific approach speed and angle, often referred to as the groove, while compensating for ship movement, wind, and the wake of the carrier. It was a testament to human skill and coordination, as each landing was a high-stakes maneuver where the smallest error could lead to a catastrophic crash. During a landing, the pilot aimed for a specific touchdown zone. Once the tailhook caught a wire, the aircraft rapidly decelerated. Simultaneously, the deck crew, a well-drilled team of sailors, would spring into action. They were responsible for quickly disengaging the hook from the wire, pushing the aircraft out of the landing area, and then securing it with chocks and chains to prevent it from sliding on the deck. This swift clearance was essential to make way for the next incoming aircraft and maintain the flow of flight operations. An interesting detail from this era was the evolution of landing aids. While optical landing systems, sometimes called the meatball, became standard later, the LSO was essentially the human equivalent in World War II, providing real-time visual cues. Despite these systems, barrier crashes, where an aircraft failed to catch a wire and plowed into safety barriers or other planes, were an unfortunate but common reality. Firefighting teams were always on high alert. The ability to recover aircraft efficiently and safely was not just a technical marvel, but a strategic necessity that profoundly impacted naval warfare. Understanding these intricate and dangerous operations gives us a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity, skill, and immense courage of the pilots and deck crews who served on aircraft carriers during World War II. They performed a daily ballet of precision and bravery, defining the cutting edge of naval aviation.
If history fascinates you, like, subscribe, and explore more with us.